Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Legal Beat channel. Today, I have come here with a very exciting opportunity that IFSCA has announced just now in regards to the Grade A legal officer positions as well as the vacancies that it has announced for the year 2025. Remember that this is not the official notification which consists of your eligibility, syllabus, and other sort of information, rather just an advanced intimation sort of which has been released in regards to the number of vacancies for this particular position. If I were to talk about IFSCA stands for International Financial Services Centers Authority, which is a statutory regulatory body which is established by an act of parliament to develop and regulate the financial services market in the international financial services centers in India. So GIFT IFSC at GIFT City Gandhinagar is the maiden IFSC in the country. The IFSCA has its headquarters there itself, that is at GIFT City Gandhinagar, and it is also empowered to exercise the powers of RBI, SEBI, IRDAI, and IFSCA in respect of financial products, financial services, and financial institutions in the IFSCs. Therefore, it is a very important vacancy as well as a very pivotal sort of opportunity for all the legal officers or all the aspiring legal officers or all the aspiring practicing advocates or students who are aspiring to become a legal officer. If I were to talk about this in legal stream, IFSCA has announced over 4 vacancies as of now. Remember that this is not a detailed advertisement. It is only meant as an advance intimation of recruitment. The detailed advertisement as well as the online application form will be made available on the 11th of September 2025, right? If I were to talk about certain important dates, then today the vacancy notice was out like a few minutes ago. The online application will start from 11 September and the deadline is 25th of September 2025. So please make a note of these dates, put it in your calendar, and remember to fill out this form. The phase 1 examination is set to take place on 11th of October, and your phase 2 examination is set to take place on the 15th of November 2025. And lastly, your interview rounds, the dates for the interview will be intimated as and when you completely, successfully complete your phase 2 examinations, right? Again, like I told you, the detailed notification in regards to your eligibility criteria, the reservations, the scheme of selections, the paper pattern, your all these things. In fact, your application forms, everything is going to be published on the IFSCA website on September 11, 2025. Please check out this notification and remember to fill your forms. It is a very important opportunity and I'm sure a great one too. I shall see you in the next video. Until then, see you and all the best for your exams.